Oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
Two on the ground. Two on the ground. Shit. 671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, we need cover code 39600 Golf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
We're going to be running west through the complex, heading towards the David Buster. For all black jacket, you take off his hat, black male.
Your call has been updated.
Something's good over here, by the building.
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running though. Are they running? You want me to pull out ahead of y'all? Get a little more block as I pull in behind him. It's falling behind.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go in reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him back. Now keep on coming. Keep on going. In terms of the dumpster, he's tilted.
Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got! Somebody drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, we need cover code 39600 Golf Lakes Trail.
Good!
He's running north! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west through the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east, I'm south, I'm where's the effort?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, west southwest corner. He's on a white shirt. But get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch! I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Somebody start us an ambulance.
You fucking hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get that kid.
Yeah. Where you hit at?
Outside.
Okay, hey. You got close, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's out there. She fucking... What is your name? Eric what?
Your gloves?
Yeah. I got gloves.
You got shears on you?
I got a knife.
I got it.
672, we're at building 24 southwest corner.
Alright, go on so I can see if there's an exit one on the side.
Okay. We've got one up in the shoulder, one up in the left lung area.
Alright, give me a occlusion birthday.
Eric, what is your birthday? Where do you live at, bud? Where in Dallas? You have an apartment, or where are you at, man?
Apartment.
What apartments are you at, Eric? Eric, talk to me, brother.
No.
Okay, just keep talking to me, man. What apartments do you live at, man? Who do you live? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? You live with your mama? What's your mama's name? You know her phone number? Just keep talking, man. Stay awake. No, you're fine. You're fine. Keep talking, okay?
Rolling on his.
How old are you, brother?
17. There you go.
You're 17? Okay.
Hey, just keep on breathing, man. You'll be all right. Give me a jacket for his head. You'll be all right.
Keep talking.
Just hold that bandage. Keep that bandage on. I got the bandage on. Whenever you got the gloves on, let me know so I can get my.
I got gloves. I got gloves, okay? Okay, go. Tommy, see if you can go.
Go take care of the other guy.
Find the ambulance. Again, get the ambulance over here. There were at least 2 guys. There were 3 guys, I think.
My left.
Your lap? Your lungs? I know.
We got you though. You're good. Y'all check out the one in front.
What'd you say, brother? Ambulance is coming here as hot as it can, okay?
Wound up here. Yeah.
There's a wound right here and a wound right here, but I don't see any exit wounds.
I think it's.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Hold on, I'm the gun. I got mine out.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him now. Keep on coming. Keep on going. You can turn about the dumpster. He's tilted. Raptor.
See him?
Ready?
Yeah. God damn it! Good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Drop the fucking gun! Gun! He's running north! He's running north!
He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Buster.
He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male.
He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east, I'm south, I'm where's you at?
Fuck. You guys okay? Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun. Hang on. To the fucking ground.
I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna be aggressive, so I already told you.
You already fucking were. You're the fucking man.
Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us?
I don't know if I was the guy shooting too.